The best apps to search for a job and get the work that you are dreaming of. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your dream job and start working from home or from any place in the world. The first app is Jora Job Search. This one is one of the best apps to search for jobs, and it has more than $5 million dollars. The second app is Glassdoor job search, company reviews and salaries. This app is one of the best too. You can try it and I'm sure you will find a great job here. The third one and the last one that I love it so much and I use it personally. It's called Indeed Job Search. You will find a lot of jobs here, and I'm sure you will find your dream job here. And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.